Okay, you guys, I got the bonus on Lightning Link Bengal Treasures. The major is maxed out, so that's what I'm going for right now. Betting $2.50 a spin, 10-cent denomination. Come on. Saw that mini. $42.50. I'm gonna just keep it going, see what happens. Needed an elephant in the front. I need 3 of those houses right there. 3 more. It's $5.50. Queens. It's $5. Got it. Got it. Got 8 spins. Nope. Oh man, not enough. Oh, ooh, this is a good one. Oh my God. What is this? Oh my God, guys. A whole screen of elephants. 10-cent denomination, $2.50 a spin. Sorry, you guys. That was my husband calling. Still counting up. I have never seen this. $250. It's still in the bonus. Come on. Balls, balls, balls. Ooh, that's good too. Cause I got these straight across, the snakes. I have one more spin after this. Balls, 2 more, got it. Balls. Okay, you guys, that's a good one. That's 25, 5, 22, 55, 12, 50. Let's go, drop that major, 4,000. Ooh, 3 at a time. Drop 3 majors. Last spin. Still a good bonus. Can't beat that. You don't? It was 80 on top of the 293. Boom. $373. Okay, do one last back up to the back up. Gonna cash out, and then I'm gonna put in a fresh 20. So if I get the bonus, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, we're playing Lightning Link Bengal Treasures. $0.10 denomination. They keep dropping with $2.50. Come on. Damn. It's coming. Watch. Nothing lined up. One more. Got it. $5. $5 bet. We got the bonus. 10-cent denomination. So that's what? Scatter is $10. I always double what you bet. Let's get it. 8 free games.
What's them houses?
So them opens. 3. Need 3 more of them.
If we got one of them, then we
Re-trigger. Yep. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna just let it do its thing. Give me something good. Full screen. Full screen and wilds. Come on.
I'll do it. Do it. Lost. Ooh, that's something.
You ain't get no coin, show. Missing them. 2 more games. One more game. Re-trigger. Went right there. Okay. 10 cent, $5. Got $53, you guys. Missing one. Going for the major. That was $30. Elephant, $1. 3 more, 3 more. Nope. $2.80. Got it. And watch out win more of $2.50 and $5. Okay, 8 more games.
Ooh.
How much is this? And I got music this time. And it's going faster, it seems like. I'm gonna just let it do its thing.
This is in my finger.
No. Why?
I ain't want to look in my finger. I ain't ready.
You ain't ready to be on camera?
And this the first spin?
Yep, it's the first thing.
Do them them balls over there behind those.
You know, we just had the bonus. Already at 100. 111. Come on, ball. Nope. It needs to open balls with a minor and a major. That's when you get all the balls.
One more door. The doors be around there. I mean, not doors, but apartments or whatever.
Them little houses.
Make the bonus.
No, I ain't never seen it. I guess it's like we didn't pay her. We're not gonna keep paying her. Last spin, make it count. Can't complain for $117, you guys. So I'm gonna do a backup to the backup to the backup.
And the big back there. Smile back there.
And I'm gonna put in a fresh bill and I'll be right back.